Ever wonder how the magic happens behind the scenes when you interact with your favorite apps? Let's dive into updating your project's backend on GitHub first. Make sure you have Git and, optionally, GitHub Desktop install, so you can manage the changes. Start by locating and opening the project's files on your local machine. These files store the backend code and are usually structured in folders. It's very important for them to be organized. Now comes the fun part, editing. This involves modifying your backend code within your code editor. After making your changes, it's time to commit and push them up to the GitHub repository. Explain what you've changed with a clear, concise commit message. Then, find your repository on GitHub and click commit. Make sure your local environment is in sync with GitHub by pulling down any changes other collaborators have made. Once you're happy, push your changes to the remote repository. This updates the backend code on GitHub, ready for deployment or use with whatever application is using the backend. Finally, you've successfully updated your GitHub project's backend.